Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making fufu, the real village fufu. Sit back and enjoy. Hello lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the real village fufu. This is not the kind of fufu that you turn on the gas. This is the type of fufu that you pound. This is the fufu that was just fermented and was sieved. I'm going to make a mold with it until it's finished in the mortar. Then I'm going to throw it into a hot boiling water. Make sure your water is boiling before you put it in it. And that is it. Before I started molding it, I actually placed a pot of water on the gas. So after molding it, I'm going to check if it has started boiling. And that is it. This is the last of the fufu. The reason why I tap fufu when I'm making it into a mold is so that the particle will be compressed and it will not fall out in the water, in the boiling water when I place it. As you can see, the water is here to boil. Now it's boiling. I'm going to place or drop all the fufu into the water. By dropping, I didn't mean you should make the hot water splash on you. Just drop it gently in it. But before placing it, make sure you tap it one more time to keep all the particles of the cassava together. Give it 10 minutes, then you bring it out for the first pounding. Pound the fufu, the cassava, until it's lumpless, like there is no lump, there is no seed in it. You have to pound it until it's smooth. There's a system I use: pound from one side to the other side of the mortar. And with this type of method, before you know it, your cassava is as smooth as a shea butter. Now I'm almost done. As you can see, the texture is different. I've pounded it together. It's so beautiful. Look at how white and beautiful this cassava looks. I'm going to mold it again. Mold it into round balls as I did in the first time, and I'm going to put it back in the same water which is still on the gas. I actually lowered the heat so that the water will not continue boiling and reducing, because when water boils for a very long time, it starts evaporating and drying up. So that is our water. I'm going to drop the fufu gently into the water again, and I'll allow it this time to cook for 15 minutes. And that is it. You pound it again. My fufu is thick, so I'm adding hot water from the fufu. The hot water I use in boiling the fufu, that is what I added to it. You don't need to add water outside of it. It helps the fufu marry together. Pound it until it's smooth. It's almost there. If you require more water, if your fufu is too thick, you add more of the hot water which you boil your fufu in. Our fufu is ready. It's ready to eat with any soup of your choice. This is the authentic fufu, village fufu. No jokes. So I'm going to eat my fufu today with onugbu soup, which is a very good choice of soup, by the way. I'm going to knead the fufu. I'm going to fold it to have a very good, beautiful surface. You will see how I'm doing it. That is the method I like doing it. The pans, and this is it. Voila! Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in. Thanks for supporting me. I'm immensely grateful. See you in my next video. Bye.